In my last video, I spoke about how to configure multi-factor authentication on your Microsoft 365 using a smartphone. But what happens if you don't have a smartphone? Well, that's easy. You'll use something like this. And in this video, I'm going to show you all about it. But before I start, my name is Jonathan Edwards. I'm a business IT consultant from Yorkshire in the UK. I've got an IT company called Integral IT, and we help businesses with their IT support and the cyber security. Multi-factor authentication on Microsoft 365 is so important. It can reduce the chances of a hack by 99.9%, and it's free, so you've got to have it in place. In my last video, I spoke about how to use the free Microsoft Authenticator app to configure MFA. But for that, you need a smartphone. Now you might be thinking, who hasn't got a smartphone? Well, it's not a case of not having a smartphone. But if you've got a business and you want to configure MFA, if you don't supply your employees with a company-owned smartphone, then what you're asking them to do is install a business app on their personal phones. Lots of people don't have a problem with this, but some do. Some people don't want business applications on their own personal smartphones, and it's their prerogative. So what is the answer? Well, the answer is to buy one of these. Now, this is called a Yubikey, and it's supplied by a company called Yubikey. Now, I bought this one from Amazon, and it was about £40. It's a little small USB device, and it can fit onto a keyring, and people can carry it around with them. This device acts as the second level of authentication. So how do you configure one of these to work as your MFA device on Microsoft 365? Well, let me show you how. So the first thing you want to do is log into the Microsoft 365 admin page. And once you're in there, you want to click on multi-factor authentication. So what we're doing first is we're enabling this account, which is called a Youbikey Multifactor. You can see here that MFA status is disabled. So the very first thing we want to do is enable MFA. We'll click on enable MFA. So MFA is now enabled for Youbikey Multifactor. The next thing we want to do is head over to Yubikey.com. So this is the website for the Yubikeys. What we want to do is download and install the Yubikey software onto our PC. So we simply go to products and we go to software and we go to Yubikey Authenticator. Now if we just scroll down here and click on get the app. Now you've got all these. It works on Macs, it works on Linux. You can even get an iOS download for your phone, but on this occasion we're going to be using this device here. So this is a Windows PC, 64-bit, so I'll download that. Once that's downloaded, we run the file and we click on just next. Everything's next here, and then we install the Yubikey Authenticator application. Click on finish, and then I'll just go and find that here. So Yubikey is here. I'm just going to pin that to the taskbar so it's down here and I can see it. Then I'm going to launch the software. Now this is the software that is on the PC. Very basic piece of software. It's asking us to insert our Yubikey into the PC. So this is just a USB device that sits into the PC. So I'll just put this in there. And you can see that it's picked it up straight away. Okay, it's found that Yubikey. So now we're just going to log into Microsoft 365 as Youbikey Multifactor. Okay, we'll enter his email address, and then we'll enter his password. Now what it should do now is prompt us to set up 2FA because we've just enabled it in the admin. So we click on next. And in this bit here, we want to use mobile app, and then we want to use a verification code, and we click on setup. Now this QR code will pop up, but what to click on here is configure app without notifications. That will give us an account name and a secret key. So I'm just going to take a copy of that account name. Now I'm going to launch my Youbikey software. I'm going to click on add account. So the issuer is Microsoft. The account name I'm going to copy into there, And it's also given us a secret key. So I'm going to copy that and we're going to put that in there. Now this required touch, you can actually touch the Youbikey itself as an extra layer of security. So I always keep that enabled. And then we click on add account. Now you can see that this account has now been added. So what we do now on the Microsoft 365 page is click on next. Then we click on next again. And now it's asking us for a verification code. And what we do is double click on here. And now we've got to touch the Yubikey. And when we touch it, it appears with our code. So it's 062846. We click on verify. And now it's asking us for a mobile phone number just as an MFA backup in case we don't have our Yubikey with us. And we click on next. And then we click on finished. So that's it. That is how you enable multi-factor authentication for Microsoft 365 using a Yubikey. I hope you've enjoyed this video. I look forward to seeing you again soon.